Welcome to a SUI price prediction for 2025. So we are currently in a second wave move to the downside, and I believe a third wave might happen very soon. Now I'm not sure if this second wave has bottomed. I mean, we have an ABC to the downside, but I mean the bounce we got right here is not really that impulsive compared to some other altcoins. So I cannot really confirm that a bottom is in, but I don't want to see another bottom because we are very close to the invalidation zone, and yeah, if we go below the 36 cents level, then I'm going to say it, but if we do go below that, the bull market for this coin will most likely be over. Of course, everything I will say in this video is not financial advice. You should do your own research. So yeah, right now I cannot confirm that we bottomed here, and I actually need a break above the 0.382 extension, which is at the, let's say, $1.50 level. So we need to get above that, and that will not confirm 100% that we bottomed, but it will be a good sign that we did. To 100% confirm that we bottomed, in my opinion, I need a break above the $2.17 level, which is the first wave high. And I want to break this high in the first wave of the main third wave that I believe will end somewhere in this region right here. But yeah, I mean, right now we need to go at least above the bull market support band to confirm that something more bullish is going on, because, like I said, there's still no sign that we'll be getting a third wave for this coin. So yeah, you just need to keep looking at this chart and make sure the wave count does not get invalidated. So yeah, let me tell you what I want to see in a main third wave of this cycle. And then actually let me give you my price predictions for this cycle right now. So this is the first time I'm doing this, but I cannot give you a target zone for this cycle because there's not enough data right now. So I don't have anything. I cannot pull numbers out of my you know what. I need to see a third wave move to the upside to have an idea of where a fifth wave might go. So let's say, for example, if the third wave ends here at $6.30, then yeah, the fifth wave will not go this high. It will most likely go maybe here, or I don't know. But yeah, I cannot give you a target zone until I have the third wave. So these numbers right here do not really represent what I think the bull market top will be for this coin. So for now, let's just focus on this target zone right here, because this is, in my opinion, the most important thing we should be looking at right now. Let's also check out the monthly chart. And yeah, I mean, this does not really look that good, but it does not look bad either, because this is a first wave move to the upside, and now we got a second wave. So what needs to happen is we need a third wave to the upside. Not much information on the RSI, so let's change to the weekly. And yeah, on the weekly we are below the yellow line on the RSI, but the price seems to be heading to the upside, judging by its weekly chart. But this could also be a corrective rally. I mean, it's not even a rally, it just went up a bit. But yeah, I mean, the RSI is currently trying to get above the yellow line, so if it does get above it, this will probably be a sign that something more bullish is going on and that we will get a third wave to the upside. Again, you have to be very careful with these new coins because, I mean, this has been around since May of 2023. There's not enough data for me to give you an accurate price prediction for this cycle. But right now, I see it going to the upside, of course. I mean, there's nothing that tells me that the price will go below this low right here. So for now, I remain bullish on this chart. But it is kind of worrying that the price went below my 0.786 support level, but I mean, it's starting to go back above it now, so let's see what happens. But if it stays below it for too long, I will most likely turn bearish because we don't have time for another low, in my opinion. I mean, some coins already have started going in the third wave, so this coin needs to do it as well. Oh, also another thing that I want to mention, we went oversold on the RSI right here, which could be a sign that the low is in, because as we have seen on many crypto charts in my previous videos, whenever the RSI goes to the oversold territory, the price usually goes up. So I mean, from this low right here, we are already up 42% in 9 days. And that's pretty much what happened in the previous few times. I mean, right here we went oversold and we went up 63%, and here as well we went up 33%, and even here before hitting this low right here. But I mean, I don't know if you noticed, but even though we went oversold 4 times on the daily RSI, we still put in lower lows. So I cannot confirm that a low is in if we keep doing this all of the time. I need some kind of move to the upside. I mean, I need an impulsive move to the upside, and I need it soon. I mean, we have been oversold on the RSI 4 times in the past 3 months. And I mean, some other altcoins, for example, ADA, was only oversold 2 times. And let's check out some other altcoins. Let's check out VeChain. VeChain was also oversold 2 times. Well, 3 times if you count this right here. And let's look at FetchAI. FetchAI 2 times. Link 1 time. I mean, you get the idea. SUI went to the oversold territory, in my opinion, way too many times. And it needs to get a bounce to the upside, like right now. I mean, the last time we went to the oversold territory on the SUI chart, it was in October of 2023. And I mean, after we did that, we did this crazy move to the upside, 400% in 4 months. But yeah, I mean, the RSI going to the oversold territory, I mean, at least on this chart, it's nothing too special, because I mean, we went to the oversold territory here and we only went 21% up. And here as well, I mean, we went up 40%, and here we went up like what, 74%. So yeah, when you compare these numbers to other altcoins, I mean, whenever it went to the oversold territory, it did not really do anything crazy. So this is a bit concerning for me, but if we somehow manage to get above this level right here and then above this high right here, then yeah, I mean, there's nothing to be worried about, but we need to do it. So yeah, right now I need a first wave move to the upside. And like I said, that will be the first wave of this main third wave that will end, in my opinion, in this region somewhere. Now, of course, it might end a bit above, maybe at the 4.618, I don't know yet. I mean, I don't even know if we will get a third wave. Right now, I don't see any sign of it happening, so you have to be on the lookout. But yeah, I mean, the first wave should look something like this. So like I said, I really needed to go above this previous high right here and maybe even a bit higher, let's say somewhere around here, before going in a second wave, then a crazy third wave to the upside, a fourth wave, and a fifth wave to finish this third wave right here. And also, just so you remember, even these smaller wave counts need 5 wave moves to the upside. So even this small wave 1 right here needs a 5 wave move to the upside. So you cannot expect the price to go up in a straight line. Expect there to be resistance on the way. So I cannot really give you a price prediction for this coin because, I mean, we have no price histories. So instead, let me look at this chart in a different way. So the market cap, as you can see right here, is around $2 billion. Which means, I mean, if we were to 10x from here, that would put us at, let's say, $8. And on the chart, I mean, that would be somewhere around here. So maybe we could do more than that. I think we could do more than that if we start this third wave right here. I mean, don't forget, from the bear market low, I mean, yeah, you can count this as a bear market low. From this bear market low, we went up 500% in this first wave. So there is potential. There's a lot of potential. I mean, no wonder so many people are crazy about this coin. So yeah, we have a lot of potential, but how much potential do we have? Well, let's say we get to this $12 level right here. Even though it's not really accurate, let's say we do. If we were to get to $12, that would put the market cap at around, let's say like $30 billion, somewhere around there. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe my math is wrong, but I think that's correct. So, I mean, $30 billion for the market cap of SUI in this next bull market is really nothing too crazy. And I could actually see it happen. I could even see it go higher, like to the $18 level right here. and that would put the market cap at around, let's say, like, I don't know, $50 billion, which would be a, let's say, 25x from here. So yeah, there is potential, but like I said, we need to go to the upside in the third wave. We really cannot afford to go down right now, and we cannot afford to break this low of the first wave, like I said. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe and comment, and check out my Patreon, and I will see you in the next one.